Are you also fond of using green screens for free, but don't know how to use them? Not to worry, you just click a perfect video. In this video, you'll get to know how to use green screen for free. Watch this video till the end, and also like the video, and subscribe to this channel. We're using a green screen in a free editor app, Capcut. First, you have to download a green screen video. You can easily get it from Pixabay for free. Second, import the green screen video and add it to your timeline. Third, go to Remove BG and select the chroma key. Drag the color picker to select the green color. Now, adjust the intensity and shadow according to your needs. And here you go. You just use the green screen in Capcut for free. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and subscribe to this channel.